Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a demo that can detect the human face accurately. Like many of our real pictures are unclear and even blurred. It's hard to detect objects, including human faces. So in this demo, I'll pick some historical hiking pictures and let's see what we will get. So now we are at the first picture. That was a hiking day, a very nice day, and it's kind of bright on people's face. So let's see if we can capture some human faces. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is the resort. Right. So face detected 6. Right. Okay. That's correct. And seems not much adjusted in picture resolution. Yeah, it's right on. Even though um, like the people's wearings are very similar or closer to the nature, right? So it's good. Let's see the second one. Oh, the second one could be a little bit challenging because the brightness behind in the background and some faces are blurred very much. Let's try it. So face detected 5. That is correct. That is correct. Okay. And if you look at um, the rectangle in green, so human faces are right fit into the rectangle. Let's move on to the third one. That could be a bit challenging too. Some faces are a bit clear, some are not, and some are wearing glasses, and yeah, some had like face and head are covered by wearings. So let's try it. Oh, surprise! Face detected 9. So that's correct. Yep. So my algorithm to detect the faces are not impacted by whatever people's wearing and in the background very much. Let's see the last one. I think that one could be the most challenging one because some faces may not be detected at all. Yeah, so let's see. Oh, so only 2 faces got detected, which are actually looking like very much they are faces which can be detected by human eyes directly. And the people behind are kind of hard to get detected. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching.